It is currently 12 a.m. I uploaded the video yesterday at 10 p.m. It's now 12 a.m. I got here some freaking McDonald's to fuel me up for the rest of the night. Jazz is here, but she just is getting ready for bed and she doesn't want to be on camera. So it's just gonna be me right now. Guys, it's late and I'm pretty delusional. Oh, delirious. Is that what it is? Delirious?
I think you're both.
Yeah, bruh. Yeah, I know. Really? Or right before I posted that video, I spent 4 hours on my laptop doing a final. So yeah, final season is fully in right now. It's in full effect right now. So let's go see what's the contents of the bag. We got napkins, 4-count chicken nuggets. Here you go. Small count fry, and then McChicken, and then what else? Some ranch. Taking my sweet ass time, Jazz is like starving. Oh my god. Yo, they diced me. I'm gonna go eat. I'm not gonna film it, but I'm gonna go eat right now. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys.
Like later?
Yeah, in like a couple minutes. Hello everyone. I am looking a little different because I just took a shower. I finished eating and I'm about to go log back in. Shall see. Yeah, 1:53 is the time we're logging in. Great. Hello everyone, it is now the day of. Last night, I literally slept on the couch over here. I've since made it. Obviously, I didn't sleep bare like that. I got my stuff from my bed and put it on there. And I feel like every time I pick up the camera, recently, I've just been having a different look. Like last night, I had all the ointment for my pimples, and then my hair's changing every so often. Today, it is currently 1 p.m. or about to be 1 p.m. I have an exam at 5 p.m. and I've studied all night, and I studied this morning. I'm probably gonna go to campus right now and study again. But in the meantime, I am doing my laundry for my bed sheets, and I don't like leaving the house when I'm not done with my laundry because it'll just stink if you just leave it in there, forget about it. So I'm gonna wait till that finishes, but in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and hop on the damn sim. So do not, just don't judge me on my sim setup. I know it could be a lot better. I literally have the sim desk mounted, and I know it could be a lot better, guys, but we're blowing on a budget right now. You guys might be wondering, how do I drive with the seat? Because it just moves. You gotta get slippers, guys. You know how it's a star? You gotta put on the opposing arms or legs. Literally, look how legit it is. It's a quick release, and it just snaps in. My car doesn't even have a quick release. All right, since learning all the new techniques from Matt, I'm gonna go ahead and try to implement it on my sim right now. My fastest time is a 2:03. See if I could replicate it or shave some time down with the new line and braking techniques and all that stuff that he taught me. So yeah. Hello everyone, it is game time. I'm gonna go to campus now and take my first in-person final. Confident? Studied all night last night, including this morning when I woke up. And then as for the sim, I think I did pretty good. I actually did my first ever sub 2 on circuit at my own home sim. The last time that I did sub 2 was at PA, and that was the first time I did sub 2 when it was at PA. And it's just cool that I was able to take everything that I learned through the line, the braking zones, and how I should really attack pretty much all the corners and whatnot. I was able to implement it here, and I got a sub 2. I got a 159.5 or 0.6. Exam is at 5, but I want to go on campus right now just so I could study a little bit more, and so I'm a little bit more prepared. So yeah, gotta take some responsibility and set my priorities straight, unfortunately. So yeah, otherwise I'd be on the sim all day. What the hell?
Holy shit, bro.
Sorry, guys. I don't know what happened. Alright, guys, so I ended up going to a cafe to study instead with my friends. Oh my god. That motherfucker's coming in hot. Currently heading towards campus now because I'm actually gonna go take the final. First ever in-person final this semester. I should be chilling. It shouldn't be too bad. I have some fair confidence going into it, so yeah. Let's go ahead and make this shit my bitch, damn it. Hello everyone, I'm here on campus. Well, really in the parking garage. We literally have, what is it? 3 more exams after this one. I got 1 more tomorrow and then 2 on Thursday. I have the track day this Friday. I still need to prep my car. I need to find time in between all that to do that. But yeah, exams at 5. It's 4:45. I'm just waiting in the car. I might leave in like 5 minutes or so. And also I just want to say, today is the 15th. And I think it's actually insane that I've done 15 videos in a fucking row right now. That is the most insane stretch I've ever. It doesn't even feel like 15. It feels like I've done like 5 videos, but it's the first time I've ever gone this consistent. And for it to be this consistent with that many videos in line is bizarre to me. You just gotta fucking put your mind to it and ask yourself, how bad do I want it? So yeah, let's go ahead and get this fucking exam done and make it my bitch. This is Nelson. He wanted to say something for the vlog.
Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Nelson. Andre asked me to give some life advice. just do it.
Oh my god, bro.
You might be scared to jump, but that's exactly when you jump. Is when you're scared.
Alright, man.
That's the best advice I can give you.
I feel like I've heard that from like a brand or something before.
Yeah, it's one
like
of the
that.
3 stripes.
Yeah, the 3 stripes one.
Bands?
Yes.
What?
Well, yeah, it's like
What's the quote from
it's like
Just do it.
on the floor, right? Bands on the floor.
Wait, it's off the walls, no?
Ceiling fan, bro.
Off the ceiling fan.
Ceiling fan.
All right, is that it, Nelson?
Yeah. All right. See you
All right.
guys.
Bye, Nelson. Hello, everyone. You guys are familiar with CAR. You guys know who CAR is. As a little update, I finished taking my exam like an hour ago. It started at 5. Took 15 minutes for the professor to come, and we still took the exam. And I'm not even joking. If you guys follow my Instagram, you can see my story. Like, I'm dead ass. But anyways, we're in the library now. I'm probably gonna be here all night, and I'm low-key scrambling to get video ideas for the rest of the vlog, obviously, because it's just final shit. But that's just real life. Like Carl was saying, he's like, that's just real life, man.
Yeah, it's just what we're doing right now. Like, you can make it as interesting as you can, but like, shit, studying, bro. That's pretty much what your whole day is dedicated to.
And I can't make content out of it because you just see me just like time lapse. I don't want the whole video to be time lapse of us studying. Even like before in like all the previous semesters, it's just like the same shit. But I never really, documented it and stuff. But now that I have been in 15 consecutive days into this, I can't really pull out now. Like I'm in too deep, man. So. Hey, shut up, man. Y'all are making it weird. If you guys don't follow my Instagram, make sure to do so because I'm gonna be doing this every time I don't have any fucking ideas. So if you guys want your cars if you guys want your guys' cars rated in the video.
Wait. Okay, no, I was gonna say, if you're telling him to...
No, not
to
now.
it,
This
then
isn't live, obviously.
I know, I forgot.
But if you do follow me on Instagram, you're gonna see this. But if you don't, make sure to tune in for the next one because you might see your car in a video. These are my close friends. I'm gonna like car rate these first cars. Oh, his name's Cars rate these. I'm gonna like car rate the first couple because they're my friends. My friends already know how much I don't like their cars anyway, so I don't think they want to hear it again. I'm kidding. Guys, don't take anything that we say here personally. I know a lot of people get butthurt when it comes to their
take that
cars.
shit personal, bro.
I guess Car wants you to take it personal, but for me, lighthearted, we're just rating some cars, man. It's for fun. This is the homie Steven's car. I'm gonna screenshot this.
I have met Steven.
You have met Steven?
Yeah. This one's pretty clean, I can't lie. I forgot all the stickers, bro. I used to have the, what is it? The motherfucking shits in the front. They were like the black plastic shits.
Oh yeah, that's his old bumper. He had a
Yeah.
TRD bumper before, but now this is like a really rare Varus bumper.
I like this one a lot more.
What do you rate out of 10?
8.9, bro.
8.9?
I give it an 8.9.
Nice. All right, we got Nick. It's my homie Nick's car. Wow, he likes it. That reaction's different, definitely.
9.5, dude. Off the
Really?
off the rip.
What do you like most about it?
That's nice. Bro, the attention to detail with the stickers is really nice, and I fuck with the silhouette. I like the spoiler. the spoiler. The spoiler is a really nice touch, and it makes the car look.
Yeah, he recently got that spoiler, I think.
It's like a Hot Wheel, bro. Like that.
Wow. Okay.
That's what he's saying. I give it
You
a
said 9.5 out of 10. You hear that, Nick?
Yeah.
Jay, you know this. I like your car a lot. I'm gonna give you a 9 out of 10, considering like you know ball and all the parts and everything to it. This is fire. Like style is, this is based off of a 14R60, which is a really rare spec 8.6 that was only sold in Japan. And he pretty much has, I think, all the OEM parts. You've seen his car, right? In one, remember? You
Yeah,
were
I
in it?
did.
Yeah. In one of the old videos.
I saw it though, and I saw like the interior. That shit nice.
It's nice.
But
It's
just
well
the out, like exterior, I would say like 9.3.
Okay, 9.3. So it's an FL5 Type R, Civic Type R. It's in, I don't know what the blue color code is, but it's blue. I like it. It's simple. Gets the job done. I don't know so much about the white wheels though. At least for CE28s, I think the CE28s look better in like a darker color like bronze or like silver or like pressed graphite. That's like me being very nitpicky, I'd say. But otherwise, I think it's solid. It gets the job done. It's a solid, I'll give it an 8 out of 10.
Wow, that's pretty close to mine.
Yeah, right?
I give it an 8.25.
Because car alone, like if we're just basing it on the car itself, like minus the mods, right? It's a great car.
Yeah,
and the
100%.
way he styled it, it's simple and it gets the job done.
And it's clean.
Turbo ST. Oh, Fiesta. Oh.
Pretty tough.
Okay, guys. I honestly,
That's pretty tough.
yes, like Fiestas for some reason have a special place in my heart. It's like the GTI, big turbo, so it's probably pushing a lot of P's. I see the fat intercooler in the front. I like it simple, clean. I like the stance, mad low. He looks like he's on Falcons
I like
too.
the color.
I like the color. I love Fiestas. Fiestas are sick, bro. STs are cool. I'll give this a 7. I give 7. I fuck with it a lot.
Damn, I give this like an 8.6.
Really? Actually,
It's
you know
pretty
what?
nice. For a
I'll do- I'll-
Fiesta,
yeah.
dude. Like this? That's so nice.
No, I
bro.
fuck with it. Actually, no, I'll change it. I'll do 7.5. 7.5. That's it for this segment. If you guys want to see more of this, let us know. I plan on filming another one tonight when we're done like studying and stuff because I need to get this video out and then I gotta study. So it's just a lot of stuff to juggle right now and I'm trying to prioritize everything. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and go study right now and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
Bye.